Hi, I'm Mike from 1A Auto. We've been selling auto parts for over 30 years.
We're going to start by popping the hood. The handle for that is down here on this left-hand kick panel. Once you pull on the hood lever and release the hood, use the safety lock, which is right there, and lift up. So we're going to top off the washer fluid. It's easy to see under any hood. It's pretty described as a washer sprayer in the windshield. You just pop the lid open, top it off with desired washer fluid.
Thanks for watching. Visit us at 1AAuto.com for quality auto parts, fast and free shipping, and the best customer service in the industry.